Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go to the information. Here we have a table of data about the rain forecast. Okay, now let me go over the information here. Yeah, weather station summarizes the accuracy of its daily rain forecast for the past year. That is for 365 days in the table above. What fraction of the stations the daily rain forecast last year were correct? Okay, now let's go to the table. We have a total of 365 forecasts. Okay, now let me go to the first row. It's about raining. The station has made a total of 95 forecasts of raining, in which only 75 forecasts were raining and the remaining 20 forecasts were not raining. That is, the station made 95 forecasts of raining, only 75 were raining. So this is the number of correct forecasting, and the remaining 20 are incorrect. Okay, now let me go to the second row. It's about no raining. The station has made a total of 270 no raining forecast, in which only in 220 forecasts there was no rain. So this is the correct number of forecasting. In the remaining 50 forecasting of no rain, actually it was rain. So this is incorrect. Okay, now to find the fraction of the station's daily rain forecast last year were correct, first, I have to write the total number of forecasts in denominator, that is 365. Let me write it over here. Now, I have to find the number of correct forecasts in numerator, because our aim is to find the fraction which represents the last year forecasts were correct. So I have to write the number of correct forecasts in numerator. Already we got the number of correct forecasts in the table, that is 75 and 220. Let me add them. 75 positive 220 equals to 295. There were 295 correct forecasts in the last year. So this 295 should be written in numerator. Okay, now we have to simplify this fraction. Since both numerator and denominator have the digit 5 at one's place, both numerator and denominator can be divided by 5. Okay, now let me divide this 365 by 5. That is, I have to check how many times 5 goes into 365. Here, the first digit 3 is less than 5. So let's consider the number formed by the first two digits, that is 36. How many times 5 goes into 36? Clearly, it's 7 times. That is 7 times 5 is 35. And we have 1 left in this 35. That 1 should be taken along with the next digit. Then it becomes 15. Now we have to check how many times 5 goes into 15. 5 goes into 15 3 times. Because we divide both numerator and denominator by 5. Okay, when I divide 365 by 5, I'm getting 73. Now I have to do the same work in numerator. So in numerator, the first digit is 2, which is less than 5. Let's consider the number formed by the first two digits, that is 29. Now I have to check how many times 5 goes into 29. That is 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. And we have 4 left in this 25. That 4 should be taken along with the next digit. Then it becomes 45. How many times 5 goes into 45? That is 9 times. So the fraction is simplified to 59 over 73. And this fraction cannot be simplified anymore. So this is a fraction of the station's daily rain forecast last year were correct. We find this fraction 59 over 73 in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.